Assalamu alaikum. Hi, dear viewers and my beloved learners. Hope you are feeling very well. And today I am before you taking a very significant thing that is not any lesson of your study, and that is exceptional. And Bangladesh is facing a great challenge, and the activity of the sun is unbearable, and people cannot bear such types of unbearable situation. A lot of primary schools has already been closed, and somebody thinking about the secondary schools. And if it happens, there will be a great problem for the students. And for this reason, I have some suggestions for you. Though I am a quack, I am not an MBBS, and I have no rights and regulations to provide such types of suggestions. Yet, as a common man, as a general citizen, I can make your conscience aware about such types of things, that you should drink a lot of water to abstain yourself from such types of risk. And you should not go out to your young guys and your sons or daughters, because they're unaware about the fact, because it may create heat stroke. A lot of people has already been died by heat stroke. And many school going children also lost their lives and by these calamities. And for this reason, we should eat such types of balanced food, eat such types of cool food that can remove fat or blood cholesterol. And for this reason, we should not consume such types of oily and fat foods. And if we can maintain such types of rules and regulations, we can be saved from such types of risk. I think you will maintain such disciplines. If you maintain such disciplines, that you may make yourselves free from such types of risk. That's all. I'll not talk too much. And if these discussions with you can satisfy your mind, please keep with us online English tutorial. And that's my request for you. Assalamu alaikum.